Have you ever stared at yourself in the mirror, just pulling at the ends of your short hair and thinking, how on earth do I make this look more feminine? Or maybe you're at the very beginning of your transition, your hair is still super short, and you are dreading that awkward grow-out phase. Trust me, you are not alone. It is such a shared experience for so many of us. We often get sold this idea that to be a beautiful, passing woman, we need this flowing, mermaid-length hair down to our waists. And sure, long hair is gorgeous, but honestly, it is completely a myth that you need it to look like a girl. Welcome back to My Life, My Rules. If you are new here, grab a snack, get comfortable, because today we are talking about exactly how to look and feel like the gorgeous girl you are, even with short hair. Listen, I know how heavy dysphoria can feel when your hair isn't matching the woman you see inside. When you first come out, or when you are taking those first beautiful steps into your truth, waiting for your hair to grow can feel like watching paint dry in slow motion. It is so frustrating, you know? You wake up, you look in the mirror, and sometimes that short hair just feels like this lingering anchor to a past version of yourself. But I want you to take a deep breath and hear me right now. Short hair is incredibly, undeniably feminine. Think about the most iconic, striking women in history and Hollywood. Halle Berry, Audrey Hepburn, Emma Watson, Zoe Kravitz. They have all rocked pixie cuts and short crops, and they looked radiantly feminine. The secret isn't the length of the hair. It is all about the styling, the silhouette, and the energy you bring to it. So, let's break down exactly how you can take that short hair and make it work for you right now, today. First things first, we have to talk about the cut itself. If your hair is short because it was cut in a traditional men's style, the biggest difference you can make is changing the actual shape. Men's haircuts are usually designed to look boxy. They have squared-off edges, sharp lines around the ears, and a really blunt, square neckline. That boxiness is what reads as masculine to the human eye. To feminize short hair, you want to soften everything. You want roundness. If you feel comfortable, go to a queer-friendly salon or a stylist you trust, and ask them to round out the back. Soften those edges around your ears. Ask for some wispy bangs or face-framing layers if your hair is long enough. Even just 1/4 of an inch of soft, textured fringe swooping across your forehead can completely change the way your face shape is perceived. It breaks up the forehead and gives you this really sweet, pixie-like softness. And please, do not be afraid of the salon. Tell them you are growing it out into a feminine style and you just need it shaped. A good stylist knows exactly how to soften a clipper cut into a chic French crop or a delicate pixie. Now, what if you are in that ultra-short phase where you can't even really style it yet? Here is where accessories become your absolute best friends. Seriously, hair accessories are like magic wands for gender presentation. Headbands are a lifesaver. A really cute, soft fabric headband, or maybe a pearl-studded one, instantly signals femininity to anyone who sees you. It pulls the hair back, frames your beautiful face, and adds a touch of glam. Then there are hair clips, a couple of sparkly bobby pins, or those really aesthetic butterfly clips pinned just above your ear or holding back your bangs. Takes literally 2 seconds, but it screams feminine styling. And don't underestimate the power of a cute silk scarf tied around your head like a retro headband. It gives off this gorgeous, classic Hollywood vibe and completely covers up any awkward cowlicks you might have from the growing out phase. Play around with colors and textures that make you feel pretty. When you add a purposeful accessory, you are telling the world, hey, I styled my hair today, and I styled it like a girl. But here is the thing about short hair. It really exposes your face. Without hair falling around your cheeks and jawline, your facial features take center stage. And that is actually a massive advantage. Because short hair puts your face on display, you can use makeup to dramatically boost your feminine presentation. Since we don't have long hair to frame the face, we use our features to do it. The most important thing you can do? Your eyebrows. Oh my gosh, eyebrows change everything. Plucking, threading, or shaping your eyebrows into a thinner, more arched, feminine shape will do more for your face than almost anything else. It instantly lifts the eye and creates a delicate look. And when you have short hair, a bold lash or a beautiful lip color really pops. You don't need a full face of heavy glam if that's not your thing. Just a little mascara to open up those eyes. Maybe a touch of blush high on the cheekbones to give your face a softer, rounder shape, and some tinted lip balm. It draws the eye exactly where you want it and perfectly balances out a short haircut. Now let's zoom out a little bit, because looking like a girl with short hair isn't just about what is happening on top of your head. It is about how you frame your neck and shoulders, too. When your hair is short, your neck is completely bare. This is the perfect canvas for jewelry. Dangly earrings are going to be your secret weapon. Hoops, drop earrings, delicate little chains. Anything that hangs down creates a vertical line that mimics the look of long hair falling past your jaw. The movement of dangly earrings is inherently feminine and catches the light beautifully. Pair those earrings with a really sweet, delicate necklace resting on your collarbone. Speaking of collarbones, pay attention to the necklines of your shirts. Since you don't have hair covering your shoulders, wearing scoop necks, V-necks, or off-the-shoulder tops creates a really beautiful, feminine silhouette. It shows off your décolletage and makes your neck look longer and more elegant. It is all about creating contrast. The short, spunky hair on top, paired with soft, flowing, delicate clothing and jewelry down below, creates this beautifully balanced, ultra-feminine aesthetic. Another really crucial thing to remember is the texture and care of your hair. Masculine hair routines usually involve harsh 3-in-1 shampoos and maybe some stiff gel. We are leaving that in the past, okay? Feminine hair, even when it is short, looks best when it is soft, touchable, and well cared for. Invest in a good quality shampoo and a really hydrating conditioner. You want your hair to look shiny and healthy. If you are using styling products, stay away from those crunchy, rock-hard gels. Instead, try a lightweight texturizing spray, a soft styling cream, or a little bit of pomade just to give it some pixie, intentional movement. You want to be able to run your fingers through it. You want it to look effortless and soft. Softness is key. Even if your hair is naturally coarse or curly, using leave-in conditioners and curl creams will define your natural texture and make it look so lush and gorgeous. But honestly, out of all the tips, all the styling tricks, and all the accessories in the world, the absolute most important element to looking like a girl with short hair is knowing that you are one. I know that sounds cliché, but it is the truth. Confidence is the loudest thing you can wear. When you step out into the world, shoulders back, head held high, knowing that you are a beautiful woman, people feel that energy. Dysphoria lies to us. It tells us we need to check 100 different boxes to be valid. But your validity does not come from the length of your hair. Your hair is a girl's hair because it belongs to you, and you are a girl. Period. Own your short hair. Treat it like a stylistic choice, not just a waiting room for long hair. When you treat your short hair like a chic, intentional fashion statement, everyone else will see it that way too. You are rocking a pixie, a crop, a cute little bob, and you look incredible doing it. So remember, round out those harsh edges at the salon. Embrace the magic of headbands and sparkly clips. Shape those eyebrows to frame your beautiful face. Throw on some dangly earrings, and most importantly, wear your confidence like a crown. You are beautiful exactly as you are right now, at whatever stage of your journey you are in. I really hope these tips help you look in the mirror and see the gorgeous girl that we all see. If you have any of your own tips for rocking short hair, or if you just want to share your journey, please drop a comment down below. I read every single one of them, and this community is so incredibly supportive. We love hearing from you. If this video helped you feel a little more confident today, hit that subscribe button and join the My Life, My Rules family. We have new videos all the time about navigating this beautiful, sometimes messy, always worthwhile queer life. Don't forget to check out the video on the screen right now for more tips on early transition, and I will see you in the next one. Stay beautiful and remember, your life, your rules.